बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 9 2024 के अखबार में। ज़ेबेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी लाड़काना कैंपस, लाड़काना कैंपस की जॉब है। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लाड़काना कैंपस। Zabest University offers the following faculty and staff positions with competitive salary packages and fringe benefits such as annual bonus, health insurance, R/R leave, CL and EL cashable, research incentives, yearly inflation and performance increments, continuing education and a lot more. The experience and publications required for faculty positions as per HEC. Appointment criteria: all candidates applying should have degrees from HEC recognized universities. Management Sciences professor/associate, professor/assistant professor. Candidate must have a PhD degree. Candidates must have a PhD in Management Sciences, Finance/HRM/Marketing from HEC recognized university along with relevant experience as per HEC criteria. Senior lecturer. Candidates must have MS/MPhil, 18 years education with specialization in HRM/Marketing/Finance and 5 years of post qualification experience. Lecturer. Candidates must have MBA or MS, 18 years of education with specialization in HRM/Marketing/Finance and 3 years post qualification experience. Computer Science associate professor/assistant professor. Candidates must have PhD degree with computer science, artificial intelligence, software engineering. Lecturer. Candidates must have MS/MPhil, 18 years education with computer science, artificial intelligence, software engineering and 3 years post qualification experience. Education assistant professor. Candidates must have PhD degree in education, social sciences. Assistant professor. Candidates must have PhD degree with specialization in clinical psychology. Lecturer. Candidates must have MS/MPhil, 18 years education with specialization in clinical psychology and 3 years post qualification experience. Public health assistant professor. Candidates must have PhD degree with specialization in health system/epidemiology/community health/nutrition/biostatistics/community medicine. Network administrator. Candidates must have MS degree, 18 years in computer sciences with 5 years of experience in relevant field. Lab engineer. Candidate must have BS degree in computer science, software engineering and artificial intelligence. Administrative officer. Candidate must have BS degree with 3 years of experience. Human resource officer. Candidate must have BS degree with 3 years of experience. Human resources officer. Candidate must have BS degree with 3 years of experience. Examination officer. Candidate must have BS degree with 3 years of experience. Librarian. Candidates must have MLIS degree with 3 years of experience in relevant field. Officer. External affairs and financial assistant. Candidate must have BS degree with 3 years of experience. Officer. Student career services and alumni relations. Candidate must have BS degree with 3 years of experience. Solar system supervisor. Candidate must have DAE with 2 years experience in managing solar system. Computer lab assistant. Candidates must have bachelor degree along with diploma in IT with at least 1 year of relevant experience. Warden for girls hostel. Only females can apply. Candidates must have bachelor degree with 2 years of experience in relevant field. Warden for boys hostel. Only males can apply. Candidates must have bachelor's degree with 2 years of experience in relevant field. Last date to apply Sunday, June 23rd, 2024. All candidates applying should have degrees from HEC recognized universities. Interested candidates should fill out the faculty/staff application form available on https://lrk.zabist.edu.pk/careers and email it to hr@lrk.zabist.edu.pk along with an updated CV, copy of the highest degree and experience certificates, or send hard copy to the HR office within due date. Position applied for should be clearly marked in the subject line, else the application will not be considered. Zabist University लाड़काना कैंपस, सच्चल कॉलोनी, लाड़काना। टेलीफोन नंबर +9274 475289 से लेकर 3 तक, +9274 475289 से लेकर 3 तक। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है, ये है किसकी जॉब है? नेशनल क्लियरिंग कंपनी, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर की जॉब है। नेशनल क्लियरिंग कंपनी ऑफ पाकिस्तान NCCPL इज़ द ओनली लाइसेंस्ड क्लियरिंग हाउस इन पाकिस्तान। ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। टू रियलाइज 3 एम्बिशियस प्लान्स, NCCPL is seeking a dynamic chief executive officer CEO to lead the organization, enabling it to meet the cooperative objectives as set out by the board of directors. He/she will be responsible for providing strategic direction, operational oversight. अच्छा जी, the ideal candidate will be a member of recognized body of professional accounts or possess a master's in finance, accountancy, business management, commerce, economics, capital market and financial services or other related disciplines from a university recognized by HEC. The candidate would have minimum 15 years of relevant experience, of which 7 years in a senior managerial position reporting to CEO at the clearing house, or at least 5 years as an MD/CEO in a regulated financial services sector. Selected candidate will be offered a 3-year contract extendable with market-based salary and other perks and privileges commensurate with the experience. Qualified and experienced expatriate Pakistanis may also apply. Candidates meeting the above requirements should apply via email latest by 20th June 2024. Director Human Resources Consulting, Siddharth Haidar Murshid Associates Private Limited. Management Consultants, Beaumont Plaza, Beaumont Road, Karachi. Email humanresource@siddharthhaidar.com.pk। तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।